Have you ever looked at your dog lying next to you, completely relaxed, trusting you with everything they have, and thought, I'm giving them the best life possible? You feed them on time, take them out for walks, maybe even buy them toys and treats whenever you can. From your perspective, you're doing everything right. But here's something most dog owners don't realize. Some of the most common, everyday things we do, things that feel completely normal, can slowly hurt our dogs, emotionally, mentally, and even physically. Not because we don't love them, but because we don't always understand them. And the hardest part is this: your dog might already be trying to tell you something is wrong. Not with words, but with small behaviors, subtle changes, and silent signals that are easy to miss if you don't know what to look for. In this video, we're going to uncover 6 ways you might be hurting your dog without even realizing it. And more importantly, how your dog is trying to warn you before it's too late. Number 1. Ignoring their need for mental stimulation. Most people believe that as long as their dog gets a daily walk, their needs are fully met. But what many don't realize is that physical exercise alone is not enough. Dogs are naturally intelligent, curious animals. In the wild, they would spend their time solving problems, exploring environments, tracking scents, and making decisions. When your dog's life becomes repetitive, same walk, same routine, no challenges, their brain starts to feel underused. And just like humans, a lack of mental stimulation leads to frustration. This frustration doesn't stay hidden. It shows up in ways that owners often misunderstand: chewing furniture, tearing things apart, barking excessively, or acting hyper even after exercise. These are not signs of a bad dog. They are signs of an unstimulated mind. Warning signs your dog is trying to tell you. Your dog may start destroying things, not out of disobedience, but out of boredom. You might notice they seem restless even after long walks, unable to settle down. Some dogs will begin following you everywhere, not because they're clingy, but because they're searching for something to engage their mind. When you start meeting your dog's mental needs through training, puzzle toys, or interactive play, you'll notice a calmer, more balanced behavior. Number 2. Punishing instead of understanding. When a dog does something wrong, it's natural to feel frustrated. You might raise your voice, scold them, or try to correct the behavior immediately. But here's where the misunderstanding happens. Dogs don't connect punishment with past actions the way humans do. They live in the moment. So when you punish a dog after they've already done something wrong, they don't think, I shouldn't do that again. Instead, they associate your anger with you, not their behavior. Over time, this creates fear, anxiety, and a breakdown of trust. Instead of learning what's right, your dog learns to feel unsafe around you in certain situations. Warning signs your dog is trying to tell you. You may notice your dog avoiding eye contact, lowering their body posture, or flinching when you move your hand. Some dogs will hide after making a mistake, not because they understand guilt, but because they anticipate your reaction. True training comes from guidance, consistency, and positive reinforcement, not fear. Number 3. Not giving them enough attention. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Phones, work, responsibilities, they take up most of our time and energy. And while you might think simply being around your dog is enough, for your dog, it's not. Dogs crave interaction, connection, and shared moments. They don't just want to be near you, they want to engage with you. When that need is ignored consistently, it creates emotional distance. Your dog may start to feel neglected, even if all their physical needs are being met. Warning signs your dog is trying to tell you. They might bring you toys repeatedly, trying to initiate play, or gently paw at you for attention. Some dogs become overly clingy, while others do the opposite. They withdraw and become distant. Both are signs that something is missing. Even a few minutes of focused, undistracted interaction can make a huge difference in how your dog feels. Number 4. Inconsistent rules and training. Imagine living in a world where the rules change every day. One moment something is allowed, the next moment it's not. That's exactly what inconsistency feels like to your dog. Dogs learn through repetition and clear patterns. When those patterns are broken, they don't understand what's expected of them. This confusion leads to stress, hesitation, and unpredictable behavior. Warning signs your dog is trying to tell you. You might see your dog pause before doing something they used to do confidently. They may obey commands sometimes, but ignore them at other times, not out of defiance, but uncertainty. Consistency creates clarity. Clarity creates confidence. And a confident dog is a calm, well-behaved dog. Number 5, neglecting their physical health signals. Dogs are incredibly good at hiding pain. It's a natural survival instinct. So by the time you notice something is clearly wrong, the issue may have already progressed. That's why small changes matter so much. A slight drop in energy, a change in eating habits, unusual behavior, these are often early warning signs. But because they seem minor, they're easy to ignore. Warning signs your dog is trying to tell you. Your dog may start licking or biting a certain area excessively, which could indicate discomfort or pain. You might notice they sleep more than usual, or seem less interested in activities they once loved. Paying attention to these subtle signals can make the difference between early care and serious health problems. Number 6, forcing affection when they don't want it. This is one of the most misunderstood aspects of dog behavior. We naturally express love through hugs, kisses, and physical closeness, but dogs don't always interpret these actions the same way. In fact, for some dogs, being hugged can feel restrictive or uncomfortable. When affection is forced repeatedly, it can create stress and even lead to defensive reactions over time. Warning signs your dog is trying to tell you. They may turn their head away, avoid eye contact, lick their lips, or try to move away. These are subtle stress signals that many owners overlook. Respecting your dog's boundaries doesn't mean loving them less. It means loving them in a way they understand. At the end of the day, your dog doesn't expect you to be perfect. They don't care about expensive toys, perfect routines, or getting everything right all the time. What truly matters to them is how you make them feel safe, understood, and genuinely loved. The truth is, even small changes in the way you treat your dog can completely transform their life. Because while your dog is just a part of your life, to them, you are their whole world. So the next time your dog looks at you, follows you around, or tries to get your attention, pause for a moment and really notice what they're trying to say. You might realize they've been communicating with you all along in ways you never fully noticed before. If this video helped you understand your dog a little better, let me know in the comments. I'd truly love to hear your experience. And if you want to keep learning how to build a stronger, deeper bond with your dog, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Because here we don't just talk about dogs, we help you become the best owner your dog could ever have.